Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Rheem EcoNet app is and how it's positioned. Rheem EcoNet is described on official sources and app listings as a smart home control platform designed to manage Rheem heating, cooling, and water heating systems from a mobile device. According to official descriptions, the app allows users to remotely control temperature settings, monitor system performance, and adjust comfort levels in real time. It is also stated that users can track energy usage and receive insights or tips to improve efficiency and reduce utility costs. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the smart home and HVAC control category, focusing on centralized management of connected home systems. Official sources indicate that users can set custom schedules and switch between operating modes like Energy Saver or Vacation mode to match their lifestyle. It is also described as offering real-time alerts for maintenance needs, system issues, or even leaks in supported water heater systems. The platform includes monitoring features that show system status, hot water availability, and equipment health indicators. Some official materials mention geofencing and automation features that can adjust settings when users leave or return home, although availability may vary depending on setup. The app may also support voice assistant integration like Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control, although this depends on compatible systems and configuration. This app may be useful for homeowners who want remote control and monitoring of their HVAC or water heating systems. For users interested in improving energy efficiency and managing home comfort digitally, this could be an option. It is important to note that the app only works with compatible Rheem or partner brand smart systems, which limits its use for general smart home setups. Some aspects such as feature consistency across devices or integration with all third-party systems are not fully detailed, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a smart home control and energy management tool rather than a general-purpose home automation platform. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.